In this video, we're going to talk about what a computer network is in its most simplest form. So when we're talking about a computer network in its most basic form, it's really nothing more than two computers that are connected together to allow them to share resources with one another. So in this example here, we have a single network cable that's connecting these two PCs. We can call this PC number 1 and we can call this PC number 2. And we're not connecting them together with a switch or a router or a hub or wireless access point. We're just simply connecting them together via a network cable. Now, in terms of sharing resources with one and another, well, it can really be anything. And so if we think about this in a very simple term, it could just simply be a text file. So if PC1 on the left wanted to send that file to PC2 on the right, we could simply just connect them together with a network cable, and we would use protocols, which you'll learn about later in the course, to be able to send this file across the wire from one system to another. Now, taking this a step further, when we talk about computer networks, there are two primary aspects. There's a physical connection or a physical component, and there is a logical connection or a logical component. When we're talking about the physical connection, we're talking about the wires, the cables, and if it's wireless, we're talking about the wireless media. So in this example, it's nothing more than this network cable connecting these two computers together. And of course, you can't see on the back side of these computers, but they have what is called a network interface card on each of them that this cable plugs into, and that allows them to communicate back and forth. And you'll learn about network interface cards later in the course. Now, in regards to the logical connection, let me get rid of all this highlighting and arrows. But when we're talking about the logical connection, we're talking about the data itself. So we're talking about this text file and the means in which it's logically sent across the wire in bits of data, electrical signals through protocols, which you'll also learn about in this course as well. So when we're talking about a network, we have a physical component, we have a logical component, and in its most basic form, a computer network really is nothing more than what's depicted here. Two computers connected together with a cable so they can share resources back and forth.